Welcome back to our Dream in the Woods. As forecasted, got a rainy day. I don't know how much rain we got, but it's all puddly. I'm guessing maybe a third of an inch or so. I don't think the rain's done for the day, but it's just a slight sprinkle at the moment. The metal roofing is being delivered, manufactured on site here today, and they should be here within the hour, is my guess. Ibex, a local company, and that's who did the metal for the sawmill shed. So anyway, looking forward to having that on site. Wish it was going up and everything was dry and nice and all that stuff, but just isn't in the cards. So at least it'll be here and ready for when we're ready to put it on. So let's get into it. I did kind of want to show you that, I mean, it's not a ton of rain, a third of an inch or so, and it just happened within the last 5 hours or so. Basically very little puddles or saturation off of this end, so we're pretty happy with that. This still gets maybe 8 inches gravel to bring it up to grade, so yeah, real happy with the drainage here. Likewise on this side, yeah, I mean, you can kind of see where the rocks have gotten water on that drip edge, but essentially no puddles, and walking down through there nice and firm. That has good compaction, so kind of considering putting some rocks in on this side, but haven't really figured that out at the moment, to kind of firm this bank up. That'll be a down the road project, but I definitely want to have it about this wide so you could drive something down there if need be. So well, it's been a few days since I did any videotaping. Metal's all here. Final count on weight is over 4,000 pounds of metal for the roof system and the splash edge on the base here on our eave side. So a lot of metal. Erik had the weekend off, and we tarped it back up because we got about ½ inch of rain yesterday, but he has the fascia boards on the upper roof, and that's what we decided to do, is just focus on the upper roof. We have a 3-day window here, and we're going to push hard to get the metal on that upper roof. And so today we're going to commit, take the tarps off, and start putting the underlayment on, and the trim that goes on the drip edge that this standing seam metal will tie into. So that's our goal. The fascia boards are looking super good. I still have a pretty good pile of them there. Have all of the trim pieces all organized, so have a pretty good idea of what we need to do there. So yeah, it's full on fall. I think it's October 21st. It's a Tuesday. Left the key on, so the first thing I'm going to do is jump this Genie and get the battery going again. All right, what we're learning here is that white thin one needs to be removed at the same time as the big flat one underneath the second panel. We were removing that one, and it has a sticky edge, and it just was a mess. So that's definitely easier. So we decided to put 2 panels wide up here. It said it needed to be 2 feet into the structure, and they're about 3 foot wide rolls, and so one roll only put us in about a foot. So decided to do that. We're learning as we go, but we did do an overwrap. So we wrapped the front edge about 1.5 inches, and then the sides we're doing about 2 inches, and then we're putting the flange nails
down on those edges, and then up on the roof here we're using a roofing nailer with roofing nails, 1-inch nails. So anyway, we're not roofers, that's for sure. Going faster, we're getting the hang of it. So this Rollo shield, this is what I got from Ibex up in Bonners Ferry, and it seems like real quality stuff. So we're going about every 12 inches for nails on the top, and then spreading out a little bit further on the bottom. Of course, we should be getting metal on this within a couple days, and so yeah, learning a lot, keeping at it. All right, one side done, looks good. Got the first piece of that drip edge in there. Now, button up and maybe try to get the bottom edge of the next one. Well, underlayment was a learning process. I felt like we were getting much better at it towards the end. But the first couple of rolls, you'd probably watch the video and think, those guys don't know what they're doing, and you'd be right. So anyway,
we're getting after it. We got the first row of the ice and water shield on the other side, the west side, and unfortunately I have to go to work tomorrow, but Erik is off and he has some help. Hunter's coming. He's another nephew of mine, family member. So just every aspect of my family has been helping out, and lots of close friends. So just so grateful for that. That's gonna have to do it for this video. Try to get this video out by Friday, so keep everyone updated on what we're doing. It's going slow, but you know, we're doing it. Next up, in 2 days, today's Tuesday, on Thursday we have off, and have a little crew coming over, and we're hoping to put both sides of the metal up on that upper roof though. So that'll be a good accomplishment, and hopefully we can get after that. Anyway, we'll catch you with the next video. Appreciate everyone watching. You guys have a good day.